Gee, how was your experience working with Mario today?
Amazing, man. Amazing, man. I'm not gonna lie. If you need a car and you might not feel like you have the finances that you really need, come here. And I'm not just saying that. I wouldn't promote nothing if I ain't think it was real. Right here, man.
Miracle Motors. Appreciate
Miracle Motors, man. For real.
So you would refer a friend?
What'd you say?
You would refer a friend to refer a friend?
Oh, yes, I would. Most definitely.
And what did you buy today?
I bought the 2016 Kia Soul, baby.
All right, solid.
I mean, I went with this one. It drives really good.
Yeah,
you know,
man.
gets you from point A to point B. It's
No
nice
doubt.
right here, man.
Appreciate you, player. This is for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, man. Enjoy. Drive safe.
No problem. Thank you so much, Mario.
All
Appreciate
right.
you, man.
All right, so Miss Curlin, how was your experience working with Mario today?
It's actually pretty good.
Okay. Would you refer a friend to refer a friend?
Absolutely.
And what vehicle did you buy today?
A 2011 Honda Sun.
Show me. Oh, this is nice. All tinted up. Well, these are for you.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Nice working with you.
You have a good day. So, Ms. Rivera, how was your experience working with Mario today?
My experience was really great. He gave me great customer service. He was very polite, very helpful. Made it happen. Like,
All right,
he's the
solid.
man. He's the man.
Would you refer a friend to refer a friend?
Absolutely.
And what car did you buy today?
Chevy Impala 2010.
Okay, solid. So this
All
black
black,
one right
just
here?
like my outfit.
All black like the outfit. Right. Low mileage too, under 100,000. Okay. There you go. Those are for you. Enjoy, drive safe, and I'll see you soon.
All right, take care.
All right. So, Miss Ings, how was your experience working with Mario today?
It was good. It was amazing. He was patient, and he really dedicated to get me in the car today.
All right,
and I'm so
fantastic.
thankful. I am so thankful.
What vehicle did you purchase today?
I got the 2010 Chrysler today.
Right, Chrysler Sebring. This thing
Yes,
is nice.
It is.
Got the ice cold air conditioner up in here. So, with your experience today, would you refer a friend to refer a friend?
Of course.
All right.
I will refer a friend to refer a friend. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mario. You have been amazing. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Thank
Mr. Morales, how's your experience working with Mario today?
It was good from the beginning to the end. He's been so nice that I can come again. Once I pay this, I'm gonna come back and gonna buy another one.
Solid, man. I appreciate it. What did you buy today? The Chevy Cruze, right?
Yeah.
2013, John. All right, cool. Would you refer a friend to refer a friend?
Oh yeah, definitely.
This
Oh,
is for you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your patience, man. Much appreciated.
Thank you.
All right, drive safe. Talk to you
All right,
soon.
my man.
My name is Corey, and I just want to thank Pedro for this awesome car and the great deal. Thank you very much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here with Miss Young. She's actually purchased her new car today, so I wanted to know how you guys actually felt.
Pretty good. It was stressful. My third car, so see how it goes.
Would you refer anybody else to Miracle Motors?
I would. It's a nice service, and they get you in and out within 2 hours.
Beautiful. And listen, you guys, again, thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful day.
Thank you.